everybody, this is Linda from MoreFunStamping.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Salisbury, Maryland. Today I want to share with you my very first unboxing video of the new products that I received of the November online exclusives. The first set I want to share with you is part of the Brush with Beauty suite. Aren't these just gorgeous? This stamp set, is called Petals of Beauty. Now remember, Stampin' Up's coming out starting November with their new storage system here, where it all is in envelopes, no longer in the DVD cases. Ooh, make pretty flowers. And of course, we have the Petals of Beauty dies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, approximately 12 dies for you to cut out the flowers. And if you want to save space, I believe you can put the dies and, whoops, the stamp set together. How's that? Isn't that awesome? Another part of the suite is called Words of Beauty. This is the photopolymer stamp set. Has Just and Because in 2 different fonts. Then Kind and Sweet and You're a Great Friend. It's your birthday. I appreciate you. I think you're amazing. You've been on my mind. You're so sweet. I love you and lovely. These will make beautiful thinking of you cards just to send to your friends, loved ones, and of course, we have dies to go with it. Here we go. Awesome. Can't wait to use these. Let's put this aside real quick. Also part of the suite is an embossing folder. Don't know if you can see it. It's called Beautiful Pattern Embossing Folder. Of course, got to have the bling. These are Pearls of Beauty. Oh, these are beautiful. I love my bling. I don't know about you, but I love bling. My collection says I love bling. How about that? Aren't those gorgeous? And of course, last but not least, Designer Series paper. This is called Brush with Beauty, 12 by 12 paper. That's the front. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Some papers, all papers, some, are just too pretty to cut. I think that's why my collection's getting out of hand. I don't know about you. Ooh. What can you make with this, I ask? Got your somewhat solids. And then your floor patterns. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I really don't want to cut this paper, but can't have it sitting on the shelf. I'll make some. Ooh, that's nice. A lot of oohing and on. Let's see what the colors, the coordinating colors are. Sorry about that. Calypso Coral, Darling Duckling, Early Espresso, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Secret Sea, love Secret Sea, and Berry Vanilla. So what do you think about this pack of paper? Will you be ordering this? All right, let's move on to my other products that I purchased. This is called Banner Sayings, and it comes with a punch. You are loved. Consider yourself hugged. Oh, wishing you good things. Happy birthday. You did it. I'm here for you. Thanks a million. Sending my love. Celebrate. Cue the confetti. Here's to you. I can't thank you enough. You're the sweetest, and I'm so grateful. Okay. Little cute sayings to put on a card. Let me see if I can grab some cardstock real quick. Excuse me. Some old cardstock. Oh, here's a piece of scrap, and let's see how this punches. Put that aside. Oh, nice little ones. Got an arrow, got double flag, single flag, and of course the sayings can go right on the punch, of course. How awesome is that? I like that. That's cool. All right, let's set that aside. Now, for us that love to celebrate everybody's birthday, it's called Cake Day. Piece of cake you can eat without any calories. Excuse me. Okay, you have the side of the cake, different style frostings. There's a little design for the cake. Happy Cake Day, make a wish, happy birthday. And of course, dies. Ooh. What do you think of those? Got like different frostings. Oh, candles, of course. Side of the cake. Drip part of the frosting. And the cake looks like a book. I guess to make a shape card. Well, I'll have to experiment with this and show you later what I come up with. What do you think of this? Will you be adding this to your crafting stash? And my last bundle that I purchased is called Pop-Up Petals. There's different vases, different flowers, 4 sentiments. Now with this one, definitely going to be playing with this one this weekend. This helps make the pop-up inside of your card. And there's the dice that cut the vases and the flowers. So yes, I like this one. I like them all, of course. And last but not least, paper. Gots to have paper. This is called Hobby Haven. Now, it's part of a stamp set. I'm sorry about that. That I didn't order. I just wanted to check the paper out first. Like I said, I love paper. Who doesn't? Oh, look at this. For your book lovers. And that's the back. Oh, self-care. You have a mask. Oh, I just lost train of thought because I was just looking at how pretty this paper is. Oh, this is a comb, lotion, all kinds of stuff there. And there's the back of that one. Oh, for your chef, your baker. More likely more of baking. My granddaughter loves to bake. Make her a nice card with that, and that's the back of that one. Oh, this is me. I love plants. I have a plant in my office that's taking up the entire wall. This is awesome. And there's the back to that one. Oh, and for you seamstress, I used to sew. I used to make my my children's clothes years ago. Put the seamstress up there. And there's the back of that one. Oh, and oh look. Even comes with some die cuts. 2 sheets of die cuts. You have your mannequin, a sewing machine, coffee thing. I don't drink coffee, so excuse me. Books, the pattern, apron, all kinds of stuff. You have 2 sheets of them. Oh, I like this paper. Most definitely. So, what do you think of that? So, I just want to say thank you for stopping by, checking out my first unboxing video. And before I go, I just want to let you know that Stampin' Up! Has an awesome signing up bonus offer. For $35, you can get $125 worth of products. You pick the products. Matter of fact, you could pick the pre-order the November online exclusive products like the ones I just showed you. Or you could do $99 worth of $99 and get $189 worth of products. So just offering you an invite to join my team, the Sunflower Moore Stampers. And this offer does expire October 31st, so don't miss out on this great joining special. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at linda@morefunstamping.com or go to my website, www.morefunstamping.com. I thank you. Have a good day.